Hello, traders. I have another trading opportunity here for you. Another signal is ready and I would like to share. But before that, you remember yesterday, 2nd July 2025, I gave you a buy signal on GBP/JPY. This is the trade, as you can see on your screen. This was the GBP/JPY buy trade I gave. And you can all see the wonders this trade has done. It has gone over 250 pips, although we're looking for only 100 pips. As you can see, the writings are still on the chart. I haven't even cleared it. So this is the second trade between last week and this week that I have given to you on this YouTube channel, Leading Forex. So I gave GBP/JPY buy, all because the trade came into a zone. I'll suggest that you can watch that video, which is the video before this one. You can watch it just for the educational purpose, for you to be able to know how I came out or how I analyzed the market to come up with that trade opportunity. So just go back and watch the previous video and you will surely see how I did the analysis. So the trade has given us the profit and it has gone so much into profit, as you can all see over here. So it was a buy trade and it has given us what we need. So I am here to give you another signal, another trade opportunity. So are you ready? If you are, I am also ready. But first of all, let me clear these writings here so that I bring the next signal for us to analyze. I am not just giving you the signal. I also analyze for you to know why I came up with such a trade opportunity. So that is why I'm saying that you can watch my previous signal videos and then you'll be able to understand how I come up with such trade opportunities. Now, the next trade opportunity we would like to look at is USD-CAD. USD-CAD. I am looking at USD-CAD buy. Now, if I go on the 4-hour, this is on the 4-hour time frame. You will see that if I zoom in like this, you see that the trend is a sell trend. But currently, something has happened on the 4-hour that we all need to take a look at. We can see that this trade has given us a double bottom here. If I zoom out like this, you see a double bottom has been formed. Okay? A double bottom has been formed. Let me put it out here. Let me draw it here. This zone here is a support zone. Okay? This was the previous support area where this trade made a move to the upside. Now, this trade has come back into that same support zone. And we see a double bottom over here. So we expect to see a buy on USD-CAD. A buy on USD-CAD. Are you with me? So you can see it as I zoom out or zoom in. Let me zoom out. I'm sure you can all see it. So this is on the 4-hour. I am using this signal on the 4-hour because I saw it on the 4-hour. So normally some of you do ask me, what time frame should you take your trade on? When it comes to taking a trade, you can take it on any time frame of your choice. But when it comes to the analysis, that is where the time frame you will use for analysis actually matters. So when it comes to analysis, you may have to find out or ask yourself, which of the time frames would you want to use? Is it on the 1-hour time frame? Is it on the 4-hour? Is it on the daily? Is it on the weekly? People do multiple time frames. Some may look at it on maybe 4-hour, 1 hour. Some may look at it on daily, 4-hour, and even maybe 1 hour. But there are others that will just look at one time frame, and then they are good to go. So for instance, this trade, I am just looking at the trade on the 4-hour time frame to call it out. So USD-CAD, I am asking for us to all go buy on USD-CAD. So let me give you the details that you will need so that you can be able to put them in your trade. So first thing first, So the trade is a buy, like I'm saying. It is what? A buy. Buy. So I'm typing that buy. So let me give it a green color. A buy. So this is a buy. What should be our entry price? Let me give you the entry price. The entry price currently, if I'm to use current entry price, our entry is going to be 1.3570. 1.35700. So this is our entry price, 1.35700. So we are going to go with 2 take profits on this trade. Take profit 1 will be 50 pips, and then take profit 2 will be 100 pips. So I'll explain the take profits, all right? So take profit 1, if we are to go for 50 pips TP1, 50 pips is going to give us 1.3620. So this is going to be our TP1. Our TP1 is going to be 1.36200. And then TP2 of 100 pips is going to be TP2 of 100 pips is going to be 1.36700. That's going to be a TP2 of 100 pips. All right, and then let's look at our stop loss. Our stop loss is going to be, okay, I'm going to put the stop loss in red. So SL stands for stop loss. So our SL is going to be 1.34700. That is going to be our stop loss. Okay, let me change the stop loss color to red because I want you to see it in red. Okay, red. Yep. So that is stop loss. So these are the details you need. This trade has already started moving to the upside now. So to your advantage, USDCAD, we are going by. And our entry price is 1.35700. Our TP1 is 1.36200. TP2 is 1.36700. Stop loss is 1.34700. Now, when it comes to TP1 and TP2, you are supposed to choose just one TP. TP1 is 50 pips. So if you want to go for 50 pips on your trade, then you have to choose TP1. If you want to go for 100 pips on your trade, then you have to go for TP2. You cannot put the 2 take profit on one trade. You can only put one of these take profits on your single trade. So if you have taken just one trade, you will have to choose between TP1 or TP2, whether you want to go for 50 pips or you want to go for 100 pips. But in case you have 2 trades, you can choose to give the first trade 50 pips and give the second trade TP2, which is 100 pips. So if you have multiple trades, that one you can choose to give each trade 1 take profit. So maybe trade number 1, you can give it TP1. Trade number 2, you can give it TP2. But if it is just one trade, you may have to choose between TP1 and TP2. Is that okay? So that explains the question of which TP should you use. Are we good? So this is our next signal, USDCAD, buy. Let's wish ourselves all the best. Now, if you want mentorship, if you want to learn Forex trading physically, you come and meet me one-on-one on Saturdays in Accra. Every Saturday in Accra, you meet me one-on-one, and then I teach you Forex. 1 month cost is just $100. 1 month cost, the cost or the price for 1 month is $100. We meet on only Saturdays. So that we have the physical class and then the online. So if you cannot come and meet me one-on-one physically, you can join the online, which is via Zoom. So the physical class, we meet 9 a.m. Ghana time, and then the second session is 2 p.m. Ghana time. And then the online session starts at 4 p.m. Ghana time on Saturdays. So all these are on Saturdays, only Saturdays. So if you are interested to learn Forex trading the proper way, then I want to invite you to join our mentorship. And I know the academy will help you to also grow and become a good trader. If you are interested, then you know how to reach me. I have given my number out severally, so you can easily reach out to me, and then you can register so that we can start. So far, a lot of testimonies. People have started well and they are doing very well. So you can also join and also do very well for yourself. Money is what we are all looking for. Let's learn it the right way and get it the right way. I'll see you in another video at the end of this trade. All right, take care. And until then, all I want to say is subscribe and follow us for more.